In this video, I show you how to fix contact name not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search contact app, click on contacts, update your contact apps if available any update version, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for contacts, click on contacts, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow contact permission, allow call logs, then phone, click on SMS, allow SMS notification. Now open contact apps. Now you can see that contact name showing. Now I hope that this method fix contact name not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.